Hey, city growers! Have you ever dreamed of having a lush, thriving garden right in the middle of your apartment or on a tiny balcony? Well, get ready to meet your new best friend, the tower garden. Now, I know what you're thinking, another gardening gadget, but tower gardens are seriously changing the game. Imagine growing a whole salad bar, lettuce, basil, strawberries, even tomatoes, without a single scoop of soil. Sounds wild, but it's true. These vertical wonders use aeroponics, which means your plants get their nutrients through a fine mist, not dirt. Not only does that mean less mess, but you also use up to 90% less water. Space a problem? Not anymore. Tower gardens need just a tenth of the space compared to traditional gardens. That means you can grow upwards, not outwards. Apartment dwellers, rooftop gardeners, even folks with just a patch of sun by a window. You can all get in on this. The setup is simple and you can grow indoors or outside all year long. And here's the kicker. When you pick your greens fresh, the flavors are next level. Seriously, once you've tasted a sun-warmed cherry tomato or snipped your own mint, you'll never go back to store-bought. So, if you want to grow more while using less space, less water, less hassle, the Tower Garden Revolution is waiting for you. Give it a try, and I promise you'll be hooked. Your home, your food, your way, greener than ever, one tower at a time.